Hi Taylor, just a short video to go along with this link. So you can see here for the navigation, we would be adding this do-it-yourself item right here with the second tier options for decks, fences, and covers. We can of course add more to that if we do end up adding gates or anything else. If they click right on the do-it-yourself instead of choosing one of the second tier options, they would land here. Looks just like the other support items for the aftercare and warranty. So very similar with the three images with links underneath to for direct access to those items. Um, and then once they, if they again click on the top tier rather than clicking all the way through, they would still get another one of these landing pages. Um, we would suggest obviously that there be text at some point for these, or I can come up with some text if you would like. And then finally, when they get down to the page, um, we kind of went back and forth on whether the decking accessories should be broken out as a separate page or not. When it came down to it, it didn't seem like it's enough content really to merit separate pages. So for the display option here on the mock-up, I opted to put them all together here. So we've got decks, handrails, benches, and stairs. And then for the deck plans over here, I thought putting them in an accordion might be a good option. Let me know what you think of this. Allows them to see, you said a drop down at first, and when I started thinking about that, it's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9, 50 some options. Single drop down was a lot, so this seems to make it a little more manageable. Let me know what you think about any of this. I do have a few meetings today, but I have availability if you end up wanting to chat. Thanks.